Hey there boys and girls, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a fast-paced tutorial on the CHARLiER cut highlighting the keynotes. Let's do this!
OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe.
We're starting here in a low and loose straddle position with the cards resting pretty much at the base of the index finger in the center of the grip here, with the pinky securing them cards at the inner short side. Now your left hand thumb comes and lifts up pretty much half of the deck. Now your index finger starts pushing the lower portion upwards, and pretty much in the center of this motion the thumb moves down to the outer left corner of the lower portion, something like this. Now keep on pushing this portion upwards until the top portion falls down, which brings you in a position where the index is curled inwards here at the bottom of the deck. Simply extend your index finger and the top portion will fall down immediately. And that's the CHARLiER cut in a nutshell. If you want to dive deeper into this move, I got an in-depth tutorial up and running on my channel, and also I want to invite you to our weekly Card Magic live practice jam sessions. Get yourself a paperback version of the Road to Card Magic and get yourself a nice deck of cards. This is such a beautiful deck, I love it very much, the B Club Special. Get those via links in the info box and all other links you find in the info cards. Thank you so much for watching. My name is OTHMARIUS and this is just what I do. You hit double combo, subscribe and notification, and rest assured more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon.